So this is the 2015 Junior Cert Higher Level Paper 2 and we're looking at question number 10. There are 10 students in a class. All 10 of them sat a test. The table below shows the mean mark, the median mark and the range of the marks on the test. So here we have our results for the test here. 32 was the highest mark got by a student on the test. Part A says use the range to find the lowest mark got by a student on the test. Okay, well the range is the highest value, subtract the lowest value. So we know that the highest value is 32. So if we subtract the lowest value, which we can call x, we know the answer is 14 because it tells us the range is 14. So what do we subtract from 32 to get 14? Well, the answer to that is 18. So the lowest mark is 18. An external examiner suggested that 2 be added onto each student's mark. Part B says find the mean, find what the mean, the median and the range would be in this case. Fill your answers into the table above. So if 2 is added on to every student's mark. Okay, well if 2 is added onto every student's mark, the mean would be raised by 2. So the mean mark would be 27.1. The median mark would also be raised by 2 because all the values would be raised by 2. So the median mark would be 26. And the range of the marks would stay the same because if all the values are raised by 2, well then the biggest subtract the smallest is still going to be 14. So that would remain 14. Part C, Bob says whenever the median of a list of numbers is 24, then at least one of the numbers in the list must be 24. Give an example to show that Bob is not correct. Okay, so all you need to do here is give a list of numbers that have a median of 24 where 24 is not in the list. So for example, you could have 6, 22, 26, and 41, for example. So the median, these numbers are in order from smallest to biggest. The median is halfway between 22 and 26, which is 24. So that's one example. There's an infinite list of numbers that would work here, but this is just one example. So that's the end of part C and the end of the question.